What is up, YouTube? Today, to quarantine or not to quarantine? That is the question today. What I should do today is pet my cat all day, stay home, pet my cat, right, Kit Kat? Pet my kitty, my buddy, or maybe clean up this daggum mess that is like all over this room. It's horrible. FPV has like literally changed my life. 3 years ago, went through some hard crap, and FPV pretty much got me out of it. Not gonna bore y'all with that whole story, but it's also, it's gonna kill me. That FPV is literally going to kill me. If it wasn't for FPV, today I would probably maybe clean up this nightmare off my front porch. I got all this ductwork because I kind of want to I need to redo the heating and air duct in my house. So, you know, I could spend the day maybe cleaning this mess up, or maybe fix this spot right here when my house is falling apart, or mow my freaking yard, or clean the shit off of this porch, or finish this damn lawnmower project. Or I could fix this board right here where I run power out to my building out there. All I gotta do is cut this little notch right here, and then I could put this board back. It's been like that for probably 3 years. Or I could build a nice patio out here and put in a hot tub or something, or get a real pool instead of this piece of shit. It's my new frog sanctuary. Or finish my daggum kitchen that I never finished. Never even put this piece of wood right here. Or I can go rip some packs with Team Banjo Leg. And then after that, we're gonna eat fried eggs. No, let's not do that. All right, we've made it out to the spot. Woohoo! We are going to be hitting multiple schools today. Got that one up there. Got this one right here. Going to another one after that. Then we're gonna get into other shenanigans. Currently undecided. In the house.
Shenanigans.
Got Mookie FPV. In the house. New name, Frozen FPV.
Frozen.
Hey Mookie, do you want to build a snowman?
Do you want to build a snowman?
So yeah, I hadn't told you guys, but I've really been struggling with the T16. First day I was like, y'all probably seen the video, I adjusted the yaw a little bit, and I was like, hell yeah, but then the next time I went to fly it, it just felt like completely off, horrible. And I literally spent 20 packs trying to figure out the problem. I couldn't get them figured out, but I knew if I just waited long enough for Currently Undecided to get it around, because he also has a brand new T16 Pro Type C, link in the description. Not really, don't go down there yet, but we're gonna put links in there. Don't go down there yet. Anyway, I knew if I waited on him that he'd help me resolve the situation, and I think we got it under control. Once I'm 100%, I will enlighten you folks on what the problem is. But today, I'm flying the Taranti, the old school Tyrannus, but I forgot to put my my balance thing back on there. So when I've got it hanging from my lanyard, it still kind of kicks up a little bit, and it's got to be just right. So I come up with the idea of I hung this quad from the end of it, and it balances it really well. So on to the ripping.
lap and you know it's a bump. Breaking down the good green, rolling the ghetto pimp tight, girl say I'm the main. Ice on the wrist with the ice in the chain. Ride through the hood, yeah I'm gripping the grain. And I'm sipping the same while I'm changing the lanes. Eyes real tight cause I'm drunken, the bitch messed up cause I'm mixing with a D-boy, riding them big toys. Make your man gal wanna get on my team. She gotta give it up before she get in my car. I ain't Denzel but I know I'm a star. Cause when I'm in the club I be back in the bar. In the VIP bar and be buying the bar. DJ Paul is a dog, one you do not trust. You leave your around me, gon' get lit up. You leave your drink around me, believe your drink gon' get drunk up. You leave your girl around me, if she bad, she gonna get stuck. These the styles, we let them lie. Keep them eyes tied, ride, what they like. Make a couple of nuns, a couple of perks on purple, purple. And swallow it down with the yerple. It's called I gotta stay till I die. I gotta stay fly till I die. I gotta stay fly till I die. I gotta stay fly till I die. I gotta stay fly. Ready?
Yeah. And hey, oh yeah. Hey, work makes the dream work. All right, so I crashed into this thing.
See it? Yeah,
and my GoPro fell off up here. David's saving the day. I don't feel like we're breaking any laws, do you? There we go. Got it figured out now. Yay, Mookie. It's not really Mookie. He has a mask on. And this thing's not focused like Sunday.
Oh shoot.
What's that?
Your battery bay's open.
Oh God. Oh, well, that's okay. I just need a GoPro.
Your battery's gone.
The battery?
Yeah, I told you it opened.
Well, no wonder I couldn't connect to it.
Is the battery up there at all?
Well, that means I probably didn't get that clip. Is the SD card in there?
Yeah. Is that broken before?
No. It's a new breakage. So y'all probably won't get to see the clip from that because the battery got ejected out of the GoPro.
Let's put it in check.
We got it. Hell yeah.
All right, let's go.
Hurry up, get down, David. Let's go. Okay, guys. Well, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're going to put currently undecided and Mookie up there. Where's he at? He's somewhere. Oh, and he's doing good service while he's up there. He's cleaning the trash off there. So, anyway, we'll see you guys in the next one. I got to get his ass down. Bye.
I gotta stay fly till I die. I gotta stay fly.
Well, I said I hope my GoPro survived, but here's my little face hugger, and the drone is way over here. Oh God. Oh dang. Look at that. I think the GoPro survived though.